Oh, looks like Woo is worried again. She sent me messages. I guess you could call it a lot of new messages. Mom, do you know any reasons why I could have this stomach ache? Well, what is it you have been eating? You may be having a bad reaction to gluten. I couldn't eat breakfast because I am feeling so nauseous. But it is worrying me because no one threw up around me, but I don't know what it's from. And I washed my hands all throughout the day after I touched something, especially on the bus. Did you take your magnesium and vitamin D? Oh, well, I sort of forgot to take them the last few days because I was studying and working. I don't think you have the flu. Just be sure to take your vitamins and sleep well, and you should feel a lot better in a couple days. Night-night, love you. Okay, night-night. Yeah, 'cause I know you're in bed, but it's like I was on the bus and my stomach started to bubble a little bit, and then I started to swallow kind of weird, and then I got a yucky burp. It was like acid. It tasted really bad. But I mean, I didn't really see anyone on the bus that looked sick, but I still pulled my shirt up over my mouth and nose just in case. Oh, that reminds me. Luke had an acid burp the other day and it smelled really bad. Uh-oh, maybe I caught something from him. Well, I don't think he's been feeling sick, but he could be a carrier of it, and I still caught it anyway. What do you think, Mama? Am I just being paranoid? Okay, well, I'll just go ahead and take the vitamins and I'll let you know if I feel better. And I'll also ask Luke if he feels okay, just in case. Okay, night-night, Mom.
2 weeks later.
So, Mom, I just need to ask you a question, see what you think about it. Good morning, Miki.
Good morning. But you got a message from Woo.
Oh, can I see?
Lily, I'll go make coffee.
Thank you, Miko Buns. What's the matter, Forda? I was in class this morning and had to come home early, and my stomach started to bubble.